Kia's most popular model in Europe is the Sportage. Millions of families rely on it every single day. What happens when you take that exact recipe? Strip out the combustion engine and go fully electric. The EV5 is the answer. And the price is about to give every rival in this segment a genuine headache. The EV5 sits a step larger than a Sportage, and every centimeter of that extra size was spent wisely. The design follows the same sharp geometric language as the EV9, the flagship that won design awards across Europe. Scaled down to something you can actually park on a Tuesday morning. Those 19-inch GT line alloys fill the arches with real presence, and the flush door handles keep the flanks clean and aerodynamic without the awkward hesitation of a pop-out handle. The front carries slim full LED headlights that stretch across the width of the car, paired with a dynamic welcome light sequence that activates when you approach, the kind of theater you normally associate with a BMW, not a family SUV. Privacy glass comes standard on the GT line, and the snow-white pearl paint on this Erfurt Motor Show car looks genuinely premium. Where the Volkswagen ID.4 plays everything safe visually, the EV5 has real character, and here is what sets this apart from every rival in the segment. 3 screens greet you the moment you sit down. A 12.3-inch infotainment display, a matching 12.3-inch driver cluster, and a dedicated 5.3-inch climate control panel underneath. What Kia understood, and what Tesla still has not figured out, is that drivers actually need physical controls for temperature and volume when they are moving. Those chunky rotary controls at the base of the console are usable at speed without a second glance at a menu. The Harman Kardon premium audio system is built into the GT Line Launch Edition as standard. This is the external amplifier setup that costs close to €1,000 as an option on competing models. Rear passengers get generous legroom, heated outer seats, and the front passenger gets a premium relaxation seat with a full recline function that turns long motorway journeys into something close to business class. Highway driving assist, 2.0 handles, semi-autonomous motorway driving, and the build quality throughout carries zero of the creaks or cheap plastics that plagued early Chinese competition. But here's the thing that might actually make you choose this over the Skoda Enyaq or the Hyundai Ioniq 5. 500 liters with the seats up, expanding to over 1,600 folded flat. But the EV5 adds something the Sportage never had: V2L technology, meaning you can run laptops, camping equipment, or power tools directly from the battery. That single feature alone separates it from the ID.4 and the Renault Scenic at this price point. 160 kilowatts, 218 horsepower from a front-mounted motor, 0 to 62 in 8.4 seconds, puts this in honest family SUV territory. The 81.4 kilowatt-hour battery delivers up to 505 kilometers of WLTP range in GT line spec. In 30 minutes on a DC fast charger takes care of 10 to 80%. 7-year, 150,000 kilometer warranty. Standard. The GT Line Launch Edition sits at €46,499 at the dealer. With the E-Autoprämie applied, that can drop below €41,000 effective. For Harman Kardon audio, triple screens, V2L, and a warranty nobody in this class can match, the electric Sportage has arrived. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every single one. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about my next upload. See you in the next video.